Hey friends, if you wish to change Google Chrome language back to English, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open the Chrome browser, search for it in the Windows search bar, and click on Open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner, and then select Settings from the menu. We go to Languages. Let us say that I by mistake changed the system to another language like Arabic. Okay, and it was the default language. So if I want to change it back to English, simply click on Chrome. I mean, search for Chrome and open it. Click on these three dots here, select Settings, go to Languages, obviously, click on English United States, select Move to the top, and that's how you will make it the default language. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice